Hey, did you know that you finance everything you buy? Yep, that's correct. You finance everything you buy. My name is James Johnson. I've been a wealth advisor for more than 20 years now. Ex-Marine. Ain't really no such thing as that. Once a Marine, always a Marine. I'm top of the table for MDRT. That's $1 Million Round Table. That's the most prestigious financial planning organization in the world and the oldest. If you're qualified for MDRT, you're in the top 5% of all planners in the world. If you're top of the table, you're in the top 1%. I was a master lead advisor for a guy named Ed Slott for more than 9 years, which means I know a lot about 401ks, IRAs, etc. Father of two and a Rotarian. Now, all of that said, I want to talk to you today about major capital purchases and what does that mean you finance everything you buy. So if you've never seen this before, this is what's called your personal economic model. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time explaining to you how this works, but basically money comes over here and it comes down this great big tube. It comes over here, hits this tax filter, and then it's consumed and it's gone forever. Now, how much of that you get to move is based on this wonderful little regulator over here and how much you're going to spend on your lifestyle and how much you're going to pump up these pipes and save over here and here. Now, we don't need to spend a lot of time talking about that. What we need to talk about is what does it mean that you finance everything you buy and how do major capital purchases work? Well, a major capital purchase is anything that you can't pay for in full with monthly cash flow. It could be a car, it could be a house, a boat, a motorhome, any one of these things. Now, generally the way you do this is you finance it using OPM or other people's money. You pay principal and interest to the lender, and you pay over time maintaining the liquidity, use, and control of your money. In other words, you keep your money over here in your IRAs, 401ks, savings accounts, brokerage accounts, whatever the case may be, and then you go borrow to buy that car. Now, if you've ever gone out and you've watched our videos on spenders, savers, and wealth creators, if you're a spender, then you definitely do it this way. If you're a saver, then you probably save up and then you pay it off. And if you're a wealth creator, you're probably doing it where you keep your money in place, maintaining control of it, and then you go out and you use other people's money in order to buy it. But either way, you finance everything you buy. So you either use your money or you use the bank's money. So in this particular case here, we're going to use another choice of self-financing. So we were a saver. We saved up all this money out over here in our safe tank. And then what we did was we drained that tank in order to make that purchase because we didn't want to pay any interest. So we took all that money and we bought the car with cash. And then we went back to saving. So we replaced that money over time inside of our savings tank. That being said, what you don't want to forget about is opportunity cost. You see, there was an opportunity cost. In other words, we would have made interest on that money when we were growing it, as opposed to paying interest on that money if we used other people's money. And the question is, which one would be better? So never drain a future asset for a current lifestyle expense. You finance everything you buy. You either use your cash or you use someone else's cash, and the choice is yours. And this is true about whether you're buying a house, a car, a boat, an airplane, whatever case may be. So you can finance by paying cash, or you can finance by going out and using other people's money. The choice is yours. I'll be putting out another video on this in the not too distant future to show you the mathematics of why it's so important to be using OPM or other people's money going forward. Remember to subscribe to our channel and remember to live like you're going to die tomorrow and plan like you're going to live forever because you just might. Keep smiling, make it a great day, share this, give us your comments below, and can't wait to see you again.